Hello and welcome to the inner sanctum of Twix Bar. This is my pool house. The size of my pool is too large to show on camera. That is why you've never seen it. Not because it doesn't exist, I assure you. I've started doing my part to clean up anonymous commenters here on the digital wild, wild west of the internet, YouTube. And today we will continue on our holy mission to rid commenters of their anonymous identities and provide them with something truly unique and specific to who they are. All right, I'm grabbing a number of colorful friends who are faceless circles with shoulders. I have about 7 here. Let's choose the 4 that I like more than the other ones. Otavio Cordero, Google logo. Looks like a pop punk band logo. Yeah, it does, I agree. Thank you so much. Hailstorm 03. Don't worry, I made plenty of progress eating Twix bars. Oh yeah, everybody knows a Twix bar fan gotta stay. I believe I can fries, yes. All the way, Teddy Kernyawan. Aw, this is so nice. But it already has 2 likes. Teddy, you've already received your just reward. No, I'm sorry. And you should do this until every commenter has a profile picture. Yeah, I should. I'm glad you're so generous with my time, man. No, I'm sorry, Ed. I'm sorry. Kelsey K, classic squiggle mouth. Oh yeah, okay. There's some content to work with here. June Park, yikes, lol. I'm pretty sure that's a hate comment. Let's do it. Okay, here are the 4 that I've been in contact with. So Hailstorm never worries. Maybe we could do something like a peace sign. Peace to the whole world. I made plenty of progress eating. He wants a mouth. Twix bars. I think we should throw in a Twix bar. Okay, he was born in 2003. Do you know 2003 was when Cristiano Ronaldo made his debut for Manchester United? I know this because I was there. Zimri, don't tell lies. Okay, perfect. Next up we have Tirza. Tirza has a strong belief. They want something that's like, maybe like a classic religious font would do the job. They want tears. Tirza also said, I can, which means they're very bold and confident. Yes, I love the self-belief. Perfect. Kelsey K. She likes squiggles. Okay, let's give her something squiggly. I love that word, squiggly. I'm gonna name my nephew that. See, this is confusing because her name's Kelsey, but she wants her name to be Nick. So I think what she's asking for is a combo of Nick and Kelsey. I know what you're thinking. We should do Nelsie. Nope. We're doing Kelsick. So she wants her name to be Kelsick. Is 0 replies. She's a loner. I'm sorry, Kelsick. Kelsey K, definitely a Kardashian. It says Kelsey. She lives by the sea. She wants something water related. Okay, last but not least, June Park. They want a park scene. Yikes, okay? They're into dangerous things. They're a Game of Thrones fan. They're a follower of the Lord of Light, which is a dangerous thing. Okay, fantabulous. Let's get started. So Hailstorm never worries. We want a peace sign. Let's make one of these bad boys. Okay, see if you guys can remember, like before I make this, what a peace sign looks like in your head. Or pause the video and write it down, see if you get it right. Pretty sure I know what it looks like. Okay, I think we can stand a little bit more beef in our diet. All right, Hailstorm wants a mouth. Shh, no, let's do like one of these. Okay, a little bit of a lemon shape. And let's do some teeth. All right, we got our mouth. Let's put some food in there. Oh, wait. I have an idea. And I think this will be easier than last time. Last time I wasn't really thinking about how it will look in the icon, but this time I am. Just like the well-organized, well-thinking designer that I am. Yeah. Okay, this looks terrible. Okay, yeah, maybe like that would be good. You know what we need? We need a tongue in here. Okay, let's make it a nice rojo, por favor. Let's add in some font. Let me find something. Okay, this font is called Contacts Sans with an X for contacts. Let's do it here. It could be like a mustache. Let's give it a lot more character and personality. Let's give it like an actual eye here. Okay, it looks a little bit off balance though. Let's do something like this. Let's consider this like a forehead tattoo. Let's have him looking to the right. So there, he can be like looking at his own comment. And then we want to add some attitude to this guy. Let me draw a Twix bar. Oh yeah, look at that. I actually don't know which layer the nougat is in the Twix bar. Does it have a nougat? Maybe I'm just making a Snickers bar. I don't know my own people. It's the most ridiculous thing I've ever made. I love it. but we don't have anything that says he was born in 2003. So what we're gonna do, guess what? He's got a tongue tattoo. Them delicious Twix bars. Storm, my man, I zoomed in for you. You can take a screenshot of it. Our design champions, vote in the poll right now whether you think Hailstorm will use this new icon for their profile or not. And Hailstorm, of course, if you watch this, screen capture this image, upload it, leave a comment, and we'll all try to find you in the comments. Thank you so much. Let's go to number 2. This is Tirza old thing. You guys let me know in the comments how we're supposed to pronounce the O with a line through it. I think that's so cool. Belief, tears, bold, confident. I'm gonna find a font that I believe is sad, religious, and confident. Okay, this font is called Hefeweizen. I'm gonna stack it like this. I think it's very, you know, kind of like a old religious, like a monk would write in a book like this. Okay, so we need something bold and confident. So let's just go with a straight up black and white. That'll be awesome. Okay. Ooh, we need the thing. We need the thing. Legitness. You know what? I'm just gonna do a little bit of transform on this to make it a little bit italicized. Nice to meet you. Welcome to the party. Nah, that's too much. Let's do like a 5 degree. Okay, that's cool. Let's vary things. Up, down. Okay, this is some of the best typography in the world. Tears. Yes. I always stick my tongue out onto my lip when I'm drawing something that I want to be precise. I feel like that's a common thing in humanity. It's like a thing about humans. We stick our tongue out when we have to focus. Very strange. Ooh, these are sick, but they could be much larger. Let's do it. Yeah, wait. Let's put a few more down below. Fill it in like a birthday cake. I was gonna give you the option to not have the tears because it looks cleaner, but nope. You get what you asked for. Let me do some different color choices and let you choose what you'd like. All right, Tirza, here's my results for the brief that you sent me. Thank you so much for choosing me for your project. I have 4 different color options for you to choose from. Maybe if you want, you could change depending on what time of the year it is. Like this one could be for Halloween. This one could be on your birthday. This one could be regular days. And this is when you want the world to be more blue. Like Christmas. Okay, design champions, vote in the poll right now. Which color combo is your favorite? You got A for the black and white, B for the blue and white, C for the, you know, all that stuff, or 7 for the orange and black and white. Yeah, vote now or forever hold your horses. We got Kelsey K, Squiggly, Kelsic, Loner, Seawater related. Start with like a squiggly font idea here. Kelsic. Okay, let's try like a, yeah, sure. Okay. Oh, we can have the S go around the L. Oh, yeah, that'll be cool. There we go. Like that. That's dope. Little more compact. I'm gonna lock this. You can go Command 2 to lock stuff. Wow, isn't that so cool? Now I'm gonna get the pen tool. I'm gonna make it a different color so I can see where my pen is making mark. The ends of our font is now hard. It now makes a hard cutoff. Let's make it even thicker though. I want some real thick stuff. It's fine, Zim. Stop bothering with it. Okay, it's fine. We're going ahead with this. Kelsey said she wanted ocean, so let's do something bluish color. Let's just make it white so it stands out quite a bit. Awesome. Okay, but we do need something to bring home the ocean idea. Let's try like a kablam. It's a fish, in case you didn't guess it. Okay, brilliant. I think we can put it in like here. This is nice. Let's make it bigger. Maybe even bigger. But guess what? This fish has to be a goldfish. Let's make it a goldfish. Oh yeah. This fish will not be dissimilar to Hailstorm. It'll be Hailstorm's spirit animal. There we go. All right, Kelsey Kelsic, these are the options I came up with for your brand. It's very squiggly. It's close to the sea like you wanted. And based on your comment, we know that you're a loner, so that's why I only put 1 fish. He's just out there on his own, doing his thing. Very cool. So, yeah, screen capture, whichever one you like the most, upload it as your profile picture. Leave a comment. Everybody, let's try to find her comment if she leaves one. All right, vote now in the poll, guys. Which color option do you suggest Kelsic takes? We got 7 is the blue and orange one. Sam for the pink and green one. And we're gonna use Ethiopia as the black and green one. Vote now. Which one do you like? 7, Sam, or Ethiopia? Thank you very much. So June Park wants a park scene. I'm gonna start with our background first. What color do we want? Well, it has to be in June, so I'm gonna make it like a nice summery sky color, shall we? Yeah. So it's gonna be a park scene. I think what we can do is a tree. Let's grab this green from here. Hello, Brown. I was searching for you, and you never showed. Left me with the bill, all by myself. Let's add like a grassy plain below here, so we get more of a park idea. But here's where things change. We need the Lord of Light. Okay. We need like a little flamey flame thing. Goes up like that. Yeah. Wait, should I come off or not? I don't think I should. Here we go. The Lord of Light in the park. That's hilarious. I don't know what it means, but. Dangerous, Lord of Light, got it. June in the park, fantastic. We just need June. Okay, we're going with active grotesque. Bring it together quite a lot. Let's expand the type, and then we're gonna warp it. Envelope distort, make with warp. We're gonna flag it. We're gonna put it right there. Bye, dude. I'm big enough to be able to read. Okay, wait, let's expand this now. Let's make it white. Yeah, there you go, very friendly. You know, since June is like a hate commenter, I think what we need is, you know, to give him some, you know, some positive vibes, you know? Help him remind him that the world is a beautiful place. Okay, June, here is your new identity based on the things you love. You're a follower of the Lord of Light, so I've put that in for you. You like hanging out in the park, so I got that for you. Go ahead, screen capture this, upload it, leave a comment so we gonna find you and see if you like it. Thank you so much. All right, Champos, vote now in the poll. What do you think June will use this logo or not? My vote is no. But I'll write a message, we'll see. Here's a look back at the 4 we made today. Obviously, Hailstorms is just insane. You know, what could I do? He asked for so many things. Try to get all of it in there. It was very difficult. But I'll write my hypoallergenic animals. Vote now in the poll. Which one of these 4 designs you like the most? I really love the typography of Tirza. And I also love my custom typography on Kelsey, if I must say so myself. All right, guys, thank you so much for being here. I'll see you really soon, I hope. And I hope you all had a very fantastic week this week. And have a super dope, awesome, fresh weekend. Enjoy it. Make some progress on things, you know, whatever. All right, stay awesome, possum, and I'll see you later, alligator. Bye, guys.